How to make cheesy quesadillas. You will need avocado, tomato, lime, cheese and flour tortillas. Start by dicing the avocado. Slice through the skin of the avocado to the seed, turning the avocado until you have cut around the whole thing. Cut into the soft part in lines, first one way and then the other, to make cubes. Scoop the cubes out with a spoon. Hold the tomato at the stem and starting from the bottom, cut into slices. Cut the cheese into pieces that will fit in the tortilla bread. Put the cubes of avocado on half of the tortilla and mash with a fork. Squeeze some lime on top. Add a layer of cheese, then tomato slices. Fold in half and press down so that it holds. Fry in a frying pan on a low heat. Cover with a lid and cook until it is brown on the underside. Carefully flip over with a spatula and cover again. Cook until the cheese is melted. Put on a plate and cut in half. Yum yum yum!